Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're literally just gonna spend the day together. I'm actually off and I just wanted to record and spend some time with you guys as well as with myself. So we're just gonna do our normal things and implement some yoga and shopping into this vlog. I hope you guys like this new style and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, hi, hello, I'm Lex, and you guys are just gonna join me on a very realistic day in my life as a full-time content creator. So yeah, let's go. All right guys, you already know the dishes gotta get washed. That's chicken that's out for tonight that my man's gonna cook. Yeah, dishes everywhere. Crazy. This is real because I did not want to wash dishes last night. So yeah, and girl, I don't know, we're not gonna talk about it, but this is real. Also, let the record show, I haven't done yoga in a very long time. So again, not too much on your girl, but we listen and we don't judge here, as well as we watch and we don't judge here. Okay, so yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. It's much later. It's like 12:22. I just looked at the clock earlier. 12:22. I finished like around 12. So I'm literally sitting on a pile of laundry right now. So yeah, you guys, I am done for the day. I'm literally about to go pick up lunch. I just ordered some Subway. I hate when my nose rings like that, but I just ordered some Subway. I'm gonna go pick that up. I need to run to the laundromat and dry my comforter because I swapped out. I cleaned the linen and all that stuff, whatever is the midweek refresh. Okay, so yeah, when y'all see this video, I think it'll be Sunday because the video that I recorded when I told y'all I was coming back to y'all a little bit later, that video is going up tonight, and then this video is going up on Sunday. And then if I can squeeze in another video really quickly, that would be amazing. But I also want to take time to enjoy my day off, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I guess I'll see you at Subway or something, and then I'm gonna eat lunch here, watch a show or two, and then head to the other side and pick up some flowers for my niece because today is her birthday, so shout out to her. So yeah, sorry for the lighting, you guys. I'm literally just in the living room about to couch rock for a little bit as soon as I get my food. So yeah, gonna go and pick up her some flowers and a card and leave that at the house, so when she gets home from school she'll have like a little surprise, because my mom and Subdad are taking her out for dinner tonight on her actual birthday, and then me and my mom are taking her to dinner with her girlfriends on Saturday or Sunday, I think. So yeah, that is what's going on. So I just want to get her a little something for now, and then obviously I'll get her more stuff for the dinner when I see her for the dinner. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to include any of that in this vlog. It might be a separate vlog, I don't know yet. But your girl is just trying to get content out, and honestly, like, I should have got a pedicure today because I chipped my toe. But yeah, other than that, there is nothing going on. So let me go get my lunch, go to the laundromat to drop off the comforter, and then that's pretty much it. This is crazy. Like, I'm super duper productive. Where has this Lexi been at? Like, hello, where has this Lexi been at? But anyways, you guys, yeah, I will see y'all when I'm doing something else or whatever, have something else to talk about. So bye. Okay, you guys, I have finally fixed my hair to the best of my ability for right now. It's hot. I had the windows down, but I have finally made it to Hobby Lobby. So let's go in and get some keychains. Okay, guys, so I made it to Hobby Lobby. I'm just gonna grab some keychains and some vinyl and get up out of here because that's really all I need. I'm not trying to spend a whole bunch of money, truthfully. Hey guys, so at this point, I finally made it to Hobby Lobby, and I'm literally just here for keychains. I was looking for a particular one this time, but they didn't have it, so kind of had to just think ahead and grab what I could. Yo, I promise you, I'm so awkward and clumsy in real life, so I'm so glad like I catch these little bloopers or what have you. But yeah, I had so many ideas I wanted to get all the keychains, but I decided to just grab what I could, and I got nervous, so bye.